Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we will practice listening and speaking skills. Our topic today is my family. Listen carefully and try to understand the words. Hi, I'm Olivia. Today, I want to share with you a day in my lovely family's life. First, meet my dad. He often spends time in our garden looking after colorful flowers. Every flower has a name, and my dad knows them all. He loves teaching me about them. He says each flower has its own personality, just like people. He taught me that the red roses are for love and the yellow sunflowers are for happiness. I love walking with him in the garden and listening to his stories about the plants. It's so peaceful there. The smell of the fresh soil and the sweet flowers always makes me feel calm. My dad has a special connection with nature, and he's passed that love on to me. Here is my mum. She often sings a happy tune while she knits. She makes sure we have warm sweaters for the cold winter days. Her knitting needles click and clack, creating a soft, rhythmic sound that fills the room. It's a very comforting sound. She can make anything: sweaters, scarves, hats, and even small blankets. She says that knitting is like telling a story with yarn. Each stitch is a word, and the finished piece is a tale of warmth and care. I love watching her hands move so skillfully, creating something beautiful and useful from just a simple ball of wool. This is my elder brother, Jake. If he's not in school, he's in the garage. He loves fixing things, especially his bicycle. He always shows me how to ride safely. The garage is his kingdom, filled with tools, spare parts, and half-finished projects. He can take a bicycle apart and put it back together with his eyes closed. He's very patient and always explains what he's doing. He taught me how to check my tires, oil the chain, and adjust the brakes. He says a well-maintained bike is a happy bike. He even built a small ramp in the backyard for us to practice tricks at. We often race each other around the block, laughing as we go. Jake is faster, of course, but sometimes he lets me win. We shout and cheer, and our neighbors probably think we're a little bit crazy. But those are some of my favorite moments. The wind in my hair, the sun on my face, and the sound of our laughter echoing down the street. It's pure joy. After our races, we usually sit on the front steps, catching our breath and talking about everything and nothing. Now, let's not forget my loving grandparents. They have a special spot in the living room. They love doing crossword puzzles and sharing stories from the past. My grandpa is the crossword master. He knows so many words. My grandma helps him, and they work together as a team. It's so sweet to watch them. They also tell the best stories. Stories about when they were young, about the old days, and about how our town has changed over the years. Their stories are like a time machine that takes us to another era. We enjoy looking at their old photos where they wear bright, colorful clothes. The photos are a bit faded, but the smiles are still so bright. My grandpa had a cool car, and my grandma wore beautiful dresses with flowers on them. Looking at these pictures makes me feel connected to my family's history. It's like we get a little glimpse into their world, and it helps me understand them even more. My twin cousins, Lucy and Luna, are full of joy. They are always playing, laughing, and running around. When they visit, our house becomes a playground. They are identical, but their personalities are a little different. Lucy is the leader, always inventing new games, while Luna is the happy follower, giggling at everything. They love playing hide and seek, and they always find the best hiding spots. Their energy is contagious, and they make everyone around them smile. My uncle and aunt love traveling. They bring us small gifts from the places they visit. Our house has a shelf filled with little treasures from all over the world. A small seashell from a beach in Thailand, a colorful mask from Italy, a tiny wooden elephant from India. Each gift has a story, and my uncle and aunt love to tell us about their adventures. They've taught me so much about different cultures and places. I hope I can travel like them one day. Lunchtime is special. We all gather and enjoy my mum's delicious pies. The smell of baking fills the whole house. She makes apple pie, cherry pie, and my favorite, strawberry pie. We all sit around the big dining table, passing around slices and sharing what we did in the morning. It's a time for connection, a time to pause our busy day and just be together. The food is always wonderful, but the company is even better. Sometimes my dad makes sweet lemonade, which Jake and I absolutely love. He uses fresh lemons from a small tree in our garden. He has a secret recipe that makes it perfectly sweet and tangy. On a hot day, there's nothing better than a cold glass of my dad's homemade lemonade. We drink it on the porch, watching the world go by. It's one of those simple pleasures that makes life so good. In the evening, we sit together, talk, laugh, and enjoy our time. Sometimes we watch a movie, sometimes we play a board game, and sometimes we just talk. We share stories from our day, make plans for the weekend, and simply enjoy being in each other's company. These quiet evenings are the perfect way to end the day. It's a time when we all feel close and connected. My family is all about love, fun, and precious moments. Now, let's practice speaking. Please repeat after me. My family is very loving. My dad works in the garden. My mum knits sweaters. My brother fixes bicycles. We eat lunch together. My family makes me happy. Great job. Now for a mini quiz. Let's see what you remember. Question 1. Where does Olivia's dad spend time? A. Garage. B. Garden. C. School. The correct answer is B. Garden. Question 2. What does Jake like to fix? A. Cars. B. Bicycles. C. Computers. The correct answer is B. Bicycles. Well done, you did a great job today. Keep practicing every day and your English will get better and better. See you in the next lesson.